Hi everyone, it's me again. For this video, we're going to focus more onto the collection of keys for your new house, the renovation process, as well as shifting into a new house during the lunar 7 month. Some of us has this urgency of handing over the keys of our current house to the new buyer, and we have to shift into the house that we have bought as soon as possible. We cannot wait. So again, during this kind of situation, we have to do it. And if HDB gives you the letter to collect your keys, you cannot tell HDB that you are not going to collect your keys because it's lunar 7 month. So you can go ahead to collect your keys and get all the documents done, but don't rush into the house just like that. It's best to select auspicious date and time and conduct an open door ritual. In Chinese, it's known as 开门仪式. With all this done properly, you can go into the house after the ritual anytime, any day. But for the first time when you step into the house, you must try your best to do the open door ritual, which is a very simple ritual to be done. Now, after you have gone into the house, the next step will be to start your renovation. If you are not in a hurry, then you can wait until after the lunar 7 month to start the renovation. You can do your planning first. Feng Shui can also be done. Planning for your design and layout can also be done during this period of time. So if you are in a hurry, the same rule apply. Get an auspicious date and time and start the renovation process. I always advise my customers, before you hit the lunar 7 month, you start the renovation process, you can work through the lunar 7 month. If you want to start your renovation within the lunar 7 month, there's another extra step that you can do. That is to go downstairs. If you believe in Chinese culture, you can actually buy a simple set of prayer items and do a prayer downstairs. It will be good for you. What happens if you need to shift into the house even during lunar 7 month? It's also the same thing. Get a proper date and time and do a house shifting ritual, which is known as 搬家仪式 or 入宅仪式. Once you have done this, you're considered shifted into the house. The same thing applies after you shift in. If it's still within the lunar 7 month, buy a set of items, go downstairs and pray to all the 好兄弟 for safety, for smooth sailing, and for everything to be good. Some of you may be concerned, after the lunar 7 month, what can be done? You can actually engage a master to do a house cleansing service for you. What do we cleanse? We try to cleanse the whole house to remove those things that are not supposed to be there. It's also to lift up the energy of your house, and everything will be fine. So, last but not least, remember, lunar 7 month is just like any other ordinary month. You don't have to be worried, just take a few precautions. With that, I'm Master Rayden Sim from Tianlu Geomancy Pte Ltd. Thank you very much for watching our videos. See you again soon.